In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can apply all of the money models released by Alex Hormozi for your Substack paid newsletter. And because it's not so easy to stack offers on Substack, which is what a money model actually is, in this video, I'm also going to show you the workaround I use to achieve the effect of a working money model. My Substack conversion rate of free to paid subscribers is 7.2%, much higher than Substack average, simply because I stack such offers ever since my Substack launched back in September 2024. And since January this year, this is fully automated. I use one simple system. Watch the video till the end to learn what it is. So now I'm going to walk you through all of the 4 groups of money models and adapt them for Substack: attraction offers, upsell offers, downsell offers, and continuity offers. Let's start. Let's start with attraction offers. They get customers by offering something free or at a discount. Often, they also make money by offering a better deal at a higher price. Hormozi covered 5. First one is win your money back. You set a goal for the customer and tell them how to reach it. If they reach it, then they qualify to get their money back or get it back as store credit. How to adapt it to Substack? Offer new paid subscribers a challenge tied to your newsletter's promise. Example, grow 100 subscribers in 30 days using my system. If they hit the goal, extend their subscription with 1 month for free or apply it as credit toward the founding upgrade. Second one is giveaways. You advertise a chance to win a big prize in exchange for contact information and anything else you want. After picking a winner, you offer everyone else the big prize at a discounted price. How to adapt it to Substack? Run a giveaway for a high value prize. Example, free one-on-one coaching call, lifetime subscription, or access to your premium course. People join by subscribing to your free tier or upgrading to paid. After announcing the winner, send everyone else an exclusive consolation offer like 50% off their first year, so the giveaway fuels both list growth and conversions. Third one is Decoy Offers. You advertise a free or discounted offer. When the lead asks to learn more, you also present the more valuable premium offer. The premium offer includes more features, benefits, bonuses, guarantees, and so on. How to adapt it to Substack? Create a highly valuable lead magnet for beginner level. Put tons more value for advanced level in the paid subscription. It's already presented next to your free tier. Promote a low barrier entry, like for example, get my premium strategy checklist free when you try the monthly subscription. Once they click through, show them the yearly or founding tier as the smarter choice, framing it as way more value, extra bonuses, bigger savings, maybe a private Q&A or tools access, compared to the monthly, which you can make much more expensive, annual discount of more than 50%. The monthly is the decoy, the yearly or founding is the no-brainer. Fourth one is buy X, get Y free. You offer customers free stuff in exchange for buying other stuff for money. The more free stuff and the higher its value, the more people buy. How to adapt it to Substack? Bundle your subscription with irresistible bonuses. Say something like this: subscribe yearly and get my $290 workshop free, or join the founding tier and get access to 3 of my tools I usually sell separately. You're basically stacking perceived free value on top of the subscription, so the paid tier feels like a steal. Fifth one is pay less now or pay more later. You give people a choice to pay full price later or pay a discounted price now and get additional bonuses. How to adapt it to Substack? Offer a limited time discount on the yearly X, lock in 200 year now, plus bonus templates, or pay $300 later with no bonuses. Make it clear the price will go up, so early adopters feel smart for grabbing the cheaper locked-in deal, while procrastinators pay more with fewer perks. The second money models group from Alex Hormozi is upsell offers. They are whatever you offer next. Typically more, better, or newer versions of what they just bought. These get you more cash fast. Hormozi covered 4. First one is the Classic Upsell. You offer the solution to the customer's next problem the moment they become aware of it. You can't have X without Y. How to adapt it to Substack? When someone upgrades to paid, immediately offer the next logical step beyond the newsletter. Like for example, now that you've got my strategies, get the exact templates or systems to implement them sold in the founding tier. Basically, you can't have the playbook, the X, without the tools to run it, the Y. Second one is menu upsells. You tell customers which options they don't need, then tell them what they do need and how to get their value from it. You don't need that, you need this. How to adapt it to Substack? Position the monthly as the you don't need that tier. Too expensive long-term, no bonuses, no locked-in savings. Then present the yearly or founding plan as the real value. What you actually need is the yearly because it gives you 2 months free plus private bonuses. Plus, you stop worrying about renewals if you offer a lifetime deal. The upsell happens by reframing one tier as the obvious wrong choice. Third one is anchor upsells. You offer your most expensive thing first. If the customer balks, you offer a much cheaper and still acceptable alternative. No worries. If you don't care about X, this may be a better fit for you. How to adapt it to Substack. Lead with your founding tier as the premium choice, positioned as for serious people who want direct access, bonuses, and lifetime perks. If someone hesitates, slide them down to the yearly. No worries, if you don't need private access, the yearly still gives you all the premium issues plus bonus templates at a lower price. The founding plan sets the frame so the yearly feels like a bargain. Fourth one is Rollover Upsells. You credit some or all of a customer's previous purchases towards your next offer. Since you already spent $500, I'll just credit that towards you staying a full year. How to adapt it to Substack. If someone's been paying monthly for a few months, credit part of what they've already paid toward a yearly or founding tier upgrade. Example, you've already invested $30. Let me roll that into your yearly plan so you don't lose it. Upgrade now and lock in bonuses. It makes the switch feel fair and frictionless instead of like double paying. Fifth one is pick your price. You let the customer pick a price but suggest a range with more bonuses as prices increase. You can give whatever you want, but most people opt for X. How to adapt it to Substack. Frame your founding tier as the pay what you want within a range. Example, you can support at $150, $250, or $500 a year. Each level gets the core subscription, but higher tiers unlock extra perks like private, more strategy calls for one-on-one feedback. Most readers pick $250. That social anchor pushes people upward while still giving them freedom. The third money models group from Alex Hormozi is Downsell offers. They are whatever you offer after someone says no, and by turning no's into yeses, you make more money. Hormozi covered three. First one is payment plan. Downsells, you offer the same product at the same price, but they pay some now and the rest over time. When do you get paid? Let's do half now and half then. How to adapt it to Substack. If someone bounces on the yearly or founding tier, offer them a lower price for the first year. If someone rejects yearly founding, hit them with a first year discount. Not ready to commit at $200? No problem. Lock in your first year for $120, 40% off. Next year renews at the normal rate. Second one is trial with penalty. You let customers try your product or service for free so long as they meet your terms. If they do, they have a better chance of becoming paying customers. If they don't, they pay. If you do X, Y, Z, I'll let you start for free. How to adapt it to Substack. Present the annual with a discount and offer a trial with a standard higher price after trial expiry. That's the penalty. You can frame it like this. If they hesitate on yearly founding, not ready to commit, start a 14-day free trial of paid and see if it's worth it before you spend a dime. Make the trial feel like a payment plan alternative. Think of it like a test drive. You only pay if you stay. No risk, full access. Then use the trial period to overwhelm with value. Drop your best past issues, bonus templates, maybe a private welcome email. So when the trial ends, paying feels like the only logical move. Third one is feature downsells. You lower prices by changing what the customer gets. I offer lower quantity, lower quality, lower price alternatives, or cut optional components entirely. If you're okay without a guarantee, I can knock off $400. How to adapt it to Substack. If someone says no to yearly or founding, offer a stripped version. Monthly equals feature downsell. Frame it as you'll still get all paid posts, but you'll miss bonuses, discounts, and private perks reserved for yearly founding. Yearly discounted version. Grab a lean version, just the core newsletter for X year. No Q&As, no templates, no one-on-one and tools access. Free trial fallback. Not ready to invest? Try 7 days of the paid newsletter. No extras, just the essentials or the minimum as Hormozi names it. It's basically saying you can pay less, but you're giving something up. The fourth and final money models group from Alex Hormozi is continuity offers. They provide ongoing value that customers make ongoing payments for until they cancel. These boost the profit of every customer and give you one last thing to sell. Those are pretty native to Substack. Hormozi covered three. First one is continuity bonus offers. You give the customer an awesome thing if they sign up today. Typically, the bonus itself has more value than the first continuity payment. If you sign up today, you also get XYZ valuable thing. How to adapt it to Substack. When someone signs up for monthly or yearly paid, stack a bonus worth more than their first payment if they do it today. Example, subscribe today and get my $97 workshop free, more than your first month's fee. Or join the yearly plan today and I'll throw in a free tool that usually sells for $200. Second one is continuity discounts offers, first month, backend, commitment. You give the customer free time now or later if they sign up today. How to adapt it to Substack. Offer a free month of paid if they upgrade today. Substack supports these discounts so you can set $0 for the first month. Backend free time or commitment discount. Stay subscribed for 12 months and I'll give you month 13 free. You can manually comp this via Substack's gift comp feature. You can also give lifetime access to founding members. Third one is waived fee. First, you ask the customer to pay a startup fee as part of joining a month-to-month program. Then, you offer to discount the entire fee if they commit longer term. If they cancel inside the term, they pay the fee. How to adapt it to Substack? Okay, this one is tough. Here's my idea. Frame monthly as having a startup premium and yearly or founding as the way to waive it. You increase the price of the monthly to the level of the annual. Then if someone asks, you offer a lower monthly fee, promo code, bundled with a mandatory one-time fee via Stripe, which you can waive if they go to annual. How to present. Month to month is flexible, but comes with a $50 startup cost. If you commit yearly, I'll waive it entirely. Fourth one is freemium. You give something for free that is good enough to attract leads on its own so that you can upsell these people later. Hormozi skipped this one in the presentation video because he believes it's valid only for software, but it's actually a perfect fit for Substack. It's actually in its core a built-in feature. Here's how to use it on Substack. Make your free newsletter so damn good it stands alone. Share bold insights, viral notes, maybe even light versions of your templates. Then constantly tease the logged vote inside paid. If you loved this, the paid version has the full playbook, private workshops, and tools my free readers never see. Free is the bait, paid is the upsell. All right, we covered all of the money models from Alex Hormozi, but there's one big problem: how to stack these offers on Substack. Not all of them can be easily presented at the right time. Exactly. Substack is great at presenting the monthly, annual, and founding tiers in the best possible way, but it doesn't fully offer the tools to stack offers like Hormozi suggests, so I use a workaround. This workaround helped me double my paid subscribers growth in January 2025 and reach a free to paid subscriber conversion rate of 7.2%, much higher than Substack average. Here it is. I automatically import my Substack subscribers to Kit and build sequences there. And I actually do most of the models in my Kit account. I have a 10-day free email course about how to grow your first 1,000 subscribers on Substack within 3 months. This is my attraction offer. It's followed by upsell offers and downsell offers. My continuity offer is in the automatic email of Substack, offering lifetime upgrade for paid members who renew their subscription for 1 more year. You can find links in the description to my free 10-day course, a mini course on how to automatically import Substack subscribers to Kit, and a case study on how this automation works to help me sell while I sleep in the description.